PURELL Foodservice surface sanitizing wipes are made specifically for food service. Wipes are ready to use, so they deliver the right concentration every time. No measuring or mixing required. And because each wipe is single-use, there's less risk of cross-contamination. And even hard-to-wash items can be sanitized quickly. PURELL Foodservice surface sanitizing wipes use a revolutionary formulation that's powerful and worry-free. It's approved for both sanitization and disinfection, killing 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, including norovirus, COVID-19 virus, Salmonella, Listeria, and cold and flu, and meets the EPA 60-second food contact sanitization requirement. The alcohol-based formula requires no precautionary statements, meaning it can be used without gloves, eye protection, or other PPE, and is safe on food contact surfaces with no rinse required. PURELL Foodservice surface sanitizing wipes are compatible with a wide variety of surfaces, including electronic touchscreens, tables, food prep areas, deli slicers, and conveyor belts, which make them ideal for restaurants, grocery stores, food processing facilities, and more. Active ingredient test strips are available to test the concentration. Want to learn more about PURELL Foodservice surface sanitizing wipes? Visit gojo.com/PURELL surface wipes.